Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about the Red Fort. Number 1. Red Fort is a historical monument of India. Number 2. Red Fort is located in Delhi. Number 3. It is known for its artistic style. Number 4. It was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. Number 5. The fort is made of red sandstone. Number 6. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Number 7. Many people visit to see it each year. Number 8. People take pictures near it. Number 9. Red Fort holds a special place in history. Number 10. Red Fort is a major source of attractions for tourists around the world. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.